I really need to get like a picture or something to go right here, just so it's just not like an open wall. But I don't know what to get. Leave me some suggestions. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we're going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just really wanting to play with makeup. But my dad is actually coming over here in a little bit and he's installing another lock in my door. No actual reason why. It's just, I'll tell you about it whilst we do the makeup. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. Kiva got her first outfit yesterday and I don't know how she feels about it or how I feel about it. It is very cute. Oh, thank you, baby. It is very, very cute. But I don't know how she feels about it or how I feel about it because it is a little too big. But I'm like, do I just keep it and she'll grow into it? Or should I take it back and get a smaller size? Because this is a small and she should probably have an extra small, to be honest, but I wasn't entirely sure. So I don't know what to do. What do you guys think? You think I should take it back and get one that actually fits her? Or should I just keep this one and have her grow into it until she grows into it? Because I think she likes it. She's not trying to take it off. She's not trying to get it off of her. I think it keeps her nice and warm and she's like constantly getting a nice hug or something. So I think she likes it. But yeah, no, I really just wanted to sit down with you guys and do a kind of get ready with me and just kind of chat and talk and see how you guys are doing. So how have you guys been doing? What's been going on? I'm doing good. I'm doing well. I am just been chilling, been working and hanging out. I miss Raph a lot. I am worried about him. He did get sick, not with the coronavirus or anything, but he did get an actual flu when he got back home. He was starting to not feel very good before he left here, and he got home and now he's had a fever for a couple days, but he hasn't had any kind of respiratory stuff. So like he called the authorities, like the medical authorities, because if you have certain symptoms you have to go in and get tested. But the doctor said, hey, you just have a fever, take this take this medicine, you sound good, you don't have respiratory situation going on, so you should be okay. If it gets worse then let me know. But he had a fever for a few days. He's fine now. He said he feels a lot better. I talked to him today, but I know Milano is having a really hard time. I know that they are getting the most of it. A lot of people in the north are really struggling. So if you know anyone that is from the north of Italy, also if you're also from Italy or if you're in Italy right now, my heart goes out to you because I know that it is such a hard time over there. And please be safe. Please wash your hands. Wash your face, don't touch your mouth, don't touch your eyes, anything, just be really careful. I actually am trying this today. This is a new palette from Ofra. I've never ever used any Ofra shadows before, and it looks so cute. I got the kind of like berry toned one, kind of neutral berry. Look how cute. It looks so pretty. So I am trying this out today for my eyeshadow. I think I'll do more kind of like a halo eye situation. I gotta go get my color switch. I always forget my color switch whenever I sit down to film, but I'm like, I gotta have it, I love it too much. Oh, I didn't even set my eyes. What's wrong with me? But yes, the situation in Italy is a lot worse than it is pretty much anywhere else, except for, of course, China, and I know South Korea is having, I know they got hit pretty hard as well. So if you're in any of those affecting countries, if you're in anywhere that's been affected, please be safe. My heart goes out to you. America is infected as well. I don't know how much, I don't know the extent. I do know it's in like Washington, I believe. I do know that it's in California. I don't know to what extent. And me personally, I'm just trying to take proper precautions and take my vitamins. I'm not a doctor or anything, but my mom is in the medical field. She is a medical rep and she knows a lot about, like, she went to school for it and everything. She knows a lot about medicine and a lot about the medical side of things. So I make sure to take all my vitamins. Vitamin D, apparently vitamin D is very important. Vitamin D, your vitamin C. And obviously I don't want you guys thinking that I'm like telling you what to do. You can absolutely do your own research. If you don't find this to be your best course of action, then by all means do what you think is best. I'm just saying what my mom is having me take and what, you know, we're doing as a family and stuff like that. So, but I have like my vitamin C, I got my vitamin D. I even take something for my lungs. Not that there's anything wrong with my lungs, but it's just to help. Again, I'm not in the medical field at all. I'm basically just quoting my mom. On a different note, I don't know if I mentioned this. I think I did. I think I did mention this like in passing a few videos ago. I have become literally obsessed with slime. Like, it's really become a problem. I made my own slime Instagram. If you don't follow me, you should go follow me there. It's called Slime Gemini, and when I found out that the name was still available, I almost had a heart attack because I was like, it's so cute! Slime Gemini. Like, it's great because I am a Gemini. I don't know, I just thought it'd be really, really cute. So if you want to watch some slime, some ASMR stuff, go follow me over there. But it's just been like such a crazy situation because I knew slime existed, and I follow a few slime people on Instagram like before I really got into it, and I really did like it. I liked the idea of it, and I was like, every time I would hear like, you know, the ASMR, the bubble pops and the crackles and this, and I was just like,
ooh, that sounds really nice.
But I didn't really give it much mind, and oh boy was I wrong. I got my first slime like a few weeks ago, and now I cannot stop. As you can tell, did I mention I made a slime Instagram? You can tell that I cannot stop. It's kind of bad. But it's so much fun, and like these people that make slimes are so talented. Like, they're so creative, and I'm just like, how do you do this? Everything looks so nice and like so put together, and then you have like the ones where you can do it yourself. Like, they give you, like, they send you all of the stuff. It's not like you put the slime together. You don't pour the glue and the borax and all that, but they already make everything for you, and then they just send you everything like in individual little bags, and then you can make the slime. And like, let's say for example it's like an ice cream slime, you would have your base, and then you would have like a clay scoop of ice cream that you put on with like fake sprinkles or fake chocolate sauce, and then you mix it all together, and it's just so much fun. And I gotta say, I'm having a great time. People are really nice. Like, whenever I purchase a slime from someone, I'll always like put it on my stories and like tag them in it. And then they're always like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Like, it's so nice. And I'm just like, oh, you're welcome. Thank you. But now I've just kind of gotten to the point to where like slime, unless I'm doing my makeup, I'm playing with slime. If you like ASMR, then I would recommend try a slime. I would highly recommend a few shops. I would recommend Momo Slimes. Slime Obsidian's really great. Sea Urchin Slimes is phenomenal. There's an Etsy store called Rodem Slimes, R-O-D-E-M, Rodem Slimes, and he makes some of the coolest slimes that I've ever seen. They're very involved and they're quite anime. Like, he has like a Totoro, like a fluff one, like a Totoro fluff one, and it's just so fun. And I love it. It's like I'm in a candy store whenever I see new slimes, because I'm finding new accounts, I'm finding new people, I'm finding new talent like every day, and I'm just like,
oh my god, I know this existed. Wow, this is a new texture. Oh my god, like, you can do this too?
Also, I watched I'm Not Okay With This. Is that what it's called? I think it's kind of like the Carrie reboot. It's got the same girl that played Beverly in it, and it has also the guy that played Stanley in it as well, so they're kind of reunited and doing another show together. And I think that's the name of the Netflix show. It's like I'm Not Okay With This. It's really, really cool, but I do think it's kind of like a Carrie remake, but it's more of a TV show. It's not a movie, but it's really cool. Correct me if I'm wrong, I don't actually know. It's just some similarities kind of reminded me of Carrie, except for the final episode. I'm not gonna spoil it, but there was a few similarities that reminded me of Carrie when I watched it. So it may be kind of a situation like that, or it may be something entirely on its own. I don't know, but it was really good. I enjoyed it. Also, I was watching the new Dracula as well on Netflix. That one's really good. Man, I don't know the actor's name that plays Dracula, but I love him. He's like so good. I feel like I've seen him somewhere else, but I don't know where I've seen him. But I really, really like his, like the way that he acts. I don't know, like, oh, Kiva, you look so cute, baby. One thing that does kind of worry me is I'm afraid this sweater is making her too hot, but I don't think it is. Like, you know, I'm just afraid of everything because when she doesn't pant. She doesn't go or anything like that. She doesn't pant. So I think that's what dogs do whenever they get too warm, is they do that to cool themselves off. She doesn't ever do that. So I don't think she's getting too hot. And then if I pull up the back of the sweater and I touch her skin, she doesn't feel hot. So I don't think that is making her too hot. I mean, she is a Maltese, so she only has one layer of fur. She doesn't have an undercoat. She just has the one, like humans do. They have the one layer of hair and then it's the skin. So it honestly may just be keeping her nice and warm without being too hot. And if that's the case, then great. I heard from someone, the only reason I was actually gonna wait until she was grown before getting her any kind of clothes, because I heard that you need to start them early just so they're used to being in clothes, just because some dogs can just immediately really enjoy it and then other dogs do not like it at all. I forgot to put primer on, but whatever, it's fine. Like, there was one day when I told myself, this was before I had Kiva, and I had Roxy. She's my parents' dog. And I told myself one day, I said, man, even when I get my own dog, I'm never gonna dress them up and put them in clothes. That's so dumb. And look at me now. Just, I don't know, it's really fun. And I understand the, you know, not wanting to put your dogs in clothes, and I understand now the idea of wanting to put your dogs in clothes because they look literally so cute. Like, I've seen like a bunch of pictures of like, you know, like Rosanna's dogs or like any kind of dogs. Like Brizzy Voices, her little puppy Remus, you know, I've seen them on Instagram, and like especially when they have their Halloween costumes on, it's literally the cutest thing that I've ever seen in my life. So I'm very happy now that I've turned into that dog mom, the one that's going to put her puppy in clothes. I'm really excited because there's two. That was very aggressive. I'm so sorry, I don't know why I did it like that, but I am super excited because I play video games. I really do enjoy them quite a lot, and there's two games that are coming out. One's already come out, but I'm purposefully waiting not to get it until, I'll tell you in a sec. So I am really, really excited because the first game that is coming out is a new Pokemon Dungeon. It's like Pokemon Dungeon XD or DX, something like that, and it is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to get that one, but I already have one Switch, but I'm waiting to play it because I was able to pre-order one of the Animal Crossing New Horizons Switches. Like, I was able to pre-order one of those. I got it from Amazon. I was actually, like, I don't know how I found it. I genuinely don't. I was just going through Twitter, and I found a post from Austin John Plays. He's a YouTuber that I watch, and he said, hey, it's available on Amazon now. So I clicked the link. It was still available. I said, whoop, and I snatched it up real quick. It's so cute. I'll put a little picture of it right here. It's literally adorable. It's like, it's just a regular black Switch, but the handles are like a mint green color and like a sky baby blue, and the back of it I believe is white, and then it has like little picture drawings on it. It's the cutest thing ever, and I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait to get it. I'm not gonna get it, I think it ships on the 13th, and then I don't get it until the 20th. No, the 17th. I don't actually remember. I'm either gonna get it on the 17th or it's being shipped out on the 17th. I don't remember. I'm so excited, but I'm waiting to get the Pokemon game until I have that Switch because I really want to have New Horizons, Animal Crossing New Horizons, and the new Pokemon game on the same Switch. So are any of you guys getting either game that I mentioned? Do you guys play video games of any kind? It doesn't matter what they are. Do you enjoy video games? Are they not your thing? Let me know. What do you enjoy to do? Because I love video games. I love to sing even though I can't sing. I love to dance even though I can't really dance. I like doing a bunch of stuff, but I really, really do love playing video games. I literally cannot wait for the new Last of Us to come out. I don't actually know when The Last of Us comes out, fake fan, but I am really excited about it. I did play the first one and I was just like, oh my gosh, this is one of the best games ever. So I'm super excited for it. But Are any of you guys getting either the new Pokemon kind of dungeon game, or are you getting Animal Crossing? I know a lot of people, like in my personal life, I know a lot of people getting Animal Crossing, and I know that it's going to be a huge game, and I'm really excited about it. I genuinely cannot wait for it. When I pre-ordered it, I called GameStop first, because sometimes like GameStop will order literally so many copies and you won't really have to pre-order it. That's just my experience, but I did call with Animal Crossing and I said, should I pre-order this game, or do you think you'll have enough copies when on launch day? And he goes, oh no ma'am, you gotta pre-order this game. I said, oh really, is it gonna be that big? And he goes, we're actually kind of running out of pre-orders. And I said, oh goodness, okay, well, I came in the next day and I pre-ordered it. I was actually kind of like really nervous because I was afraid that between like that 6 o'clock time frame when I called and the next day that they were gonna sell out and run out, and I was really scared. But they didn't, and I'm so glad that they didn't. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera really quick, and then I will come right back. And I'm back. And we're actually going to go ahead and move back onto the eyes. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot to talk about the thing that I said in like the first clip of this video. Yeah, my dad is actually coming in to install another lock on my door. Again, not for any particular reason. Well, actually there is for a reason, but it's not, nothing happened. It's okay, but like, so since Raph has gone now, he's gone back home, you know, I've been kind of just scared, and I'm just a scared person by nature, so I've just been a little bit worried. Like at my parents' house, they have like a really super thick deadbolt in their door, and they also have like a bottom lock as well. Hello? Come back to me. Like you have like the deadbolt lock, and then you have one that is on like the actual handle as well, so you can't even turn the handle. So, and my dad found one online. It's called like the Defender lock or something. So I ordered it on Amazon. It was like $15, and he's coming in to install it today. I saw the reviews on it, and the reviews were freaking fantastic. It was wild. The reviews were great, and then I actually watched a video on it as well, and it looked real promising. It's just something just to have a little more peace of mind, you know, just to be safe, because, you know, Raph's not here anymore and I do live alone now. Man, I love this mascara so much. Did I put this in my favorites video? I genuinely don't know if I put this in my favorites video. If I did not, this is also part of my favorites. I don't think I did, and I cannot believe I did not add this to my favorites. It's like one of the best mascaras I've ever used in my entire life. I've got this on, and I love how I put way too much on this side, so my eyelashes look a little bit clumpy. Don't mind that. I was gonna use my liner and lashes, or my liner and like actual lashes, but I was like, you know what, these are just, this eyeshadow, I really do like it a lot. It's very pretty. So I'm just gonna keep it like this, because I don't really feel like putting lashes on and stuff like that. If you can see my eyes, I'm talking so fast. You can see my eyes are kind of like red. I don't know why. I slept in my contacts last night. That's probably why. So they're kind of just irritated. I probably shouldn't have put any makeup around them, but you know. That's pretty much it. What am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, lipstick. For lipstick, I've got my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick right here. This is in the shade Pillowtalk. I've got the Pat McGrath lip liner right here in the shade Contour. And there we go, super easy. Also, I'm gonna add a little bit of gloss here. This is the Colourpop So Juicy Gloss. Man, I love lip liner. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram putting gloss on their eyelids, like on their eyeshadow, and I really want to do that one day. Like one day I just want to do like a one shade on the lid and then put some of this on top and make it like glossy. I really want to do that. That'd be really pretty. But yeah, you guys, this has been the look that we did create today with the Ofra palette, and it's really pretty. It's called the Signature Palette Sweet Dreams. It is very pretty. I do like the shades. I do like the look that we created with it today. I like the palette. I think it's nice. Is it anything like crazy revolutionary? No. Is it something that's very pretty? Yes, it is very pretty. I do think it worked pretty well. I think that the middle shade in here, kind of like the highlighter shade, is really real nice. I think this could be a pretty everyday palette if you like these kinds of shades. Yeah, I quite like it. Yeah, you guys, that's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.